Hi everybody, this is Nitin Chora and welcome to this special video training on patient attraction fundamentals. Now, attracting a patient to your clinic involves being very clear about two things. Who you're going to attract, in other words, what kind of patient do you want and what you have to offer. It always boils down to what message you have and who your market is. Again, it's the who and the what. So the very first thing you need to be clear about when you're trying to attract patients is, what is your core offering? Is it just physical therapy or is it speech therapy? Is it specifically what you're offering, or can you get a lot more specific? That's number one. Number two, what is your expertise? What are you an expert in? What's your interest? And number three, what do the patients want? So you're essentially looking at, essentially three circles. So think of circle one as what you have to offer, circle two as your expertise, your core interest, and circle three, what the patients actually want. The intersection of those three circles is exactly what you should be offering, because that is exactly what the market wants, and that's exactly what your community wants, and that's where you can start adding more value to patients in your community. In fact, what I want you to do is I want you to get a sheet of paper and I want you to draw three circles. Circle one is what you're offering. Circle two is your expertise, whether you have specific credentials in a certain thing, whether it's something like dry needling, whether you're an OCS, whether you're a specialist in low back pain, whether you're a specialist in pre-postnatal. And number three, what is it that your patients want? What is it that your community needs? Do some research in your community, ask patients what they want, conduct some research, and then try and come to a conclusion as to where all these three areas tend to intersect. That's exactly where you're going to be able to serve patients, create value, build brand name for your clinic, and get patients to know you, like you, and trust you. That's the first thing. Now, the second and the most important aspect of attracting the right patient is knowing how to reach patients. What is the exact kind of technology, methodology, or medium, if you want to call it that, on how to reach patients? The truth is, different patients prefer to be reached in different ways. You have email, you have phone calls, you have regular mail. Doctors, as you know, tend to prefer fax machines. You have cell phones. You can send patients text messages on their cell phones. So there are many different ways of reaching patients. And what you need to do is you need to be very clear about how you want to reach patients. Remember, some patients prefer to be contacted through, just via text messaging. Some patients prefer that you don't call them at all and just send them an email. Other patients prefer getting something in the mail. So you've got to actually use a combination of different strategies to reach patients, to continuously engage patients, and to attract patients to your clinic. So what I want you to do now is, again, using that same sheet of paper, I want you to number the different strategies in order of priority, ranging from 1 to 5. So what I mean by that is, ask yourself, would patients, do my patients want to be contacted via email? 1 being very unlikely and 5 being definitely. So, rate the mode of contact that your patients prefer. For email, that's going to be the first thing that you scale, that you rate from 1 to 5. The second is cell phones through text messaging. The third is their home phone number or even their cell phone number through calling. The fourth is regular mail. And the fifth is fax machines. Some patients or some physicians might prefer being contacted via fax machines. So rate these different modes of communication, put it down on an Excel sheet, and you'll come to a fairly good idea on the basics of how to attract patients, and for that matter, referral sources to your practice, by being very clear about what you should be offering. I'm talking about being really specific. Don't just say, we offer physical therapy, we offer speech therapy, or whatever service that you offer. Be very specific. We help women who've just had a baby. We're specialists in postnatal care. We help individuals over the age of 50 who suffer from low back pain and urinary incontinence. So be as specific as you can, because the more specific you are, the more you'll be able to establish yourself within that segment of the patient population. So number one, this exercise will help you become specific about what you have to offer. And secondly, and most importantly, and this is important because we'll use this as a foundation for future training, be very clear about how you will start communicating with patients and even referral sources when you have different types of media and different types of technology, and we'll talk more about technology very shortly. So be very clear about what you have to offer and how you'll reach out to patients, and in the subsequent training modules we'll dive deep into the specifics on how you can attract patients and advanced strategies on how to attract patients to your practice. Thank you so much for watching.